Ready to transform your static Webflow site into a dynamic, interactive experience? Let's jump right into Webflow and learn how to use the Lightbox component, adding engaging pop-up content to your website. First, from the Add panel, locate the Lightbox component and drag it onto your desired section. This creates a container for your pop-up content. Now, select the Lightbox link element. This is what visitors will click to trigger the pop-up in the Settings panel. You can customize the link's text and appearance. Next, specify the content you want to display in the pop-up. Choose the content type image, video, or external URL for an image. Simply upload it directly into the settings. For a video, paste in your video URL from YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform. Customize the Lightbox's appearance. Experiment with transition effects, background overlays, and close button style, all within the Settings panel, until it matches your website's aesthetic. And there you have it. You have successfully implemented a Lightbox in Webflow, enhancing user engagement and visual appeal.